A portion of this video is sponsored by Sampyo Tojang. I'll show you guys how to make amazing food with it later in the video. Hey guys, it's me, Jimmy. So today is going to be a pretty unbelievably fun day because I'm out here in Gapyeong, Korea, and today I came out glamping. Oh, you guys don't know what glamping is? It's one of those places where you can go and have this camping experience, but they already have this amazing tent setup for you, as well as almost hotel-like amenities inside. So if you come out glamping, you don't have to go through the hassle of learning how to set up a tent, preparing your campsite. You just need to show up and look cool and take photos for your Instagram. How cool is that? To join this amazing experience, I've got amazing friends right here. Come on guys, come on. Isn't this like the Spider-Verse movie? Two people that aren't supposed to be in the same universe, they meet. Oh, how cute is that? I may look like the kind of guy that's gonna love going out hunting, doing rough things, but I'm more homey than you think. So the reason that I wanted to come here, glamping, is because I wanted to cook something amazing for you guys. I brought some food. It's gonna be very Korean. It's gonna be really amazing. So what makes glamping is this amazing tent setup. Can we do the tour?
Yes.
It's my billionaire mansion tour.
MTV Cribs.
Right around the entrance, we have this sitting area, like a little table here. We're gonna have some nice dinner there later. There's a kitchen. I love how they have all these things that I probably need. Look how crazy it is. We got running water here. The fact that you can wash your hands when you're camping, isn't that amazing?
That's true.
It's kind of a weird thing to say, but do you guys want to come into my tent? 선진 먼저 들어가 봐.
Wow. I think you need to up it up. Wow.
Wow, this is so cool.
Look. Oh my god, it's really refreshing inside. Because there's aircon.
Jesus, they do have an aircon. It's running at full power right now. The way they put their beds is like a 5-year-old's Minecraft house.
편해요? 너무 편한데. 아. It's very springy.
It's probably not the best mattress you can find. It's pretty much like a dollar store mattress. Used. I mean, we're out here camping, so 2 queen-size beds, I'm not gonna complain. What's also very convenient is they have this mini fridge where you can keep all your food. I only put my food in there. And a microwave. My favorite part of the tent or this mansion is this. It's not a recording studio. It is a toilet. Can one of you guys sit inside? Can you sit there for scale? Whoa. You know what's really cool? They even have a shower head. You can take a shower later at night if you want to. Yeah, the thing that bothers me about camping the most is when I have to go to the toilet. It's like, I don't want to smear my butthole with a bunch of dry leaves, you know what I mean?
Why not?
It's bad for my skin. Like the next morning I'm gonna find like mushrooms going out of my butt. The good ones, edible ones. Edible ones. 만약 남자친구 생기면은 여기 올 수 있을 것 같아?
네, 날 좀 시원해지면 올만은 한 것 같은데요? 남자친구가 요리해줘야 돼.
We're all very hungry now, so let me start cooking. You guys can just sit down and watch because it's 2023. I don't believe woman's job to be cooking in the kitchen. They should just sit down and look pretty. Hope you guys know I was joking. You don't have to hate me. We're gonna have to start the fire first. To be honest with you guys, I don't know why I started this fire. I wasn't gonna use this for barbecue anyway, but it's always fun to play with fire. Interestingly, the glamping site had this outdoor pool. I kinda wanted to go in because the weather was too hot, but I wasn't dressed for it.
Can I just swim? Go down the water slide?
No, I feel insecure about my body. I don't want to take off my shirt. She wasn't dressed for it either, but she just jumped into the pool anyway. You're like the only grown lady that's here.
Hey, Susan Mom.
Well, at least she's enjoying it. Meanwhile, this man will have to get back to his important job, cooking. They also had these bizarre rail bikes, but I've seen enough accident clips on Twitter to avoid stuff like this. My life kinda matters, you know? 네가 삼겹살을 좋아하잖아. 그걸 알고 내가 삼겹살을 준비해왔어. I'm the kind of guy that likes to stick to the fundamentals, and pork belly, in my opinion, is like the Korean barbecue, you know? So here I have pork belly. I love how it came with a bit of hair too. That's kind of disgusting. So here I'm seasoning the skin of the pork belly, but honestly, you can just cut the meat and start grilling. This step is completely unnecessary. Nobody does this in Korea. But today, I just wanted to look cool in front of the ladies. And now I'm going to sear the meat. This isn't necessary, but I just wanted the skin part to be like crispy as hell. It is ideal to cut the meat into bite-sized pieces before putting it on the grill for Korean barbecue. It just saves some hassle later on. Oh yes, I also prepared some green onion salad to go with the barbecue. This is 100% necessary for Korean barbecue in my opinion. 팔 근육 잘 나오고 있어. All you gotta add is just a touch of soy sauce maybe. Just a touch. Oops. It might be too much. Maybe a little more. Sesame oil. Vinegar. Trust me, it's not my pea sample. Maybe like 5% of it is. And I'm making these people drink that unknowingly. They'll be so evil. I would not do that.
You go to jail.
It actually smells quite nice. You wanna smell it?
Oh, yeah, that
Smells kind of nice, right?
I'm hungry now. That actually smells really good.
Sesame seeds, some pepper, chili pepper powder. Okay, Sunjin likes it spicy. That looks legit. I feel like you ladies might like kimchi because this is Korea, so I got some kimchi here too. We're gonna have a generous amount of kimchi.
Nice.
By the way, I have this special grill. The oil, as I cook the barbecue, will get drained through this hole. Isn't that cool? Oh god, there was a lot of work. Pop that can open for me, will you?
Should I do the whole thing?
Yes, I want the whole thing.
You deserve your beer.
I really earned it. All we have to do now is to sit down and start cooking the meat. Now I say this is a party that we all deserve.
너무 맛있을 것 같아요.
Is this your first time glamping? Glamping 처음 온 거야? 오. Alright, cheers.
Cheers.
There's nothing complicated about cooking Korean barbecue. Just cook the meat you like and eat it. You know, at this point, I've already achieved my childhood dream. I've always wanted to be surrounded by beautiful women, have some good Korean meat. But then I had a lot of childhood dreams. It's not the only one.
Have you completed them?
I mean, becoming the last member of Sailor Moon? No. Well, I think it's safe to say that the barbecue was successful. At least they seem to really like it. Put that Korean meat in your mouth. Another way I like my Korean barbecue is by grabbing the meat, have some green onions with it. Ila deserves a Korean citizenship. Look at that sam that she's professionally making.
Yeah.
Oh, even grilled kimchi?
Yeah.
You should create a Korean YouTube channel. Be like, a white girl eats kimchi and she loves it.
I think there's already like 100 of them. 오, 너무 맛있어요. 껍데기가 쫀득쫀득.
While we were having food, it suddenly started raining. That just made the food taste better. I'm so proud of you guys. There was a lot of meat. We finished it like it's nothing. Jesus, the rain's pouring now. They were done with the meat, but I had something more special prepared for them. I'd like to talk to you ladies about something that is very important. This entire trip is sponsored by Sampyo Tojang. Sampyo Tojang. I'm sure you guys already know.
Is it like 된장?
It's pretty much like doenjang, but better. So you could say tojang is a type of soybean paste, but apparently it tastes like richer and deeper. I'm thinking I'm gonna make some soybean stew, the Korean favorite. 한국인으로서 된장찌개 좋아하지?
너무 좋아하죠.
There are two textbook Korean stews in Korea. One is kimchi-jjigae and the other one is 된장찌개. 된장 means soybean paste. Me, I don't like things that are too spicy, so I like 된장찌개 more. And to make 된장찌개, all you really need is this sampyo tojang. Today I have all these friends here, so I'm gonna do my best and make the best 된장찌개 that I can. So a lot of people would straight up just add water and soybean paste in it. Me, just like my personality, my foods are sophisticated. I like to add this 참기름 first. Add some of that pork in there. And then add water. That's what I do. Now all you gotta do, you want to get this sampyo tojang using the link down below. Oh, that smells aromatic. Look at that. Guys, do not buy just any soybean paste because kind of like kimchi, it really varies in quality. And sampyo tojang is about as high quality as it gets, and it's made with the traditional fermentation methods without adding flour to speed up the process, unlike other doenjang that you can buy. It is also super affordable, so get one from Amazon using the link down below, my friends. Now, a very important question to ask is how much doenjang to add. And the answer is, it's really up to you. Do you like it thick? I like it thick too. Like, if it's not thick, I don't even feel it, you know? Like, it doesn't even scratch my taste buds. Alright, let's start with a scoop. And another one. I am no Korean food expert, but one thing about Korean food, a lot of the times you don't really have to measure everything out. You kind of need to like feel it. That's it, guys. Water, some tojang, other things that you want to add to it, some onions, green onions, sliced chili pepper. All you have to do is add to the soup. Oh my, now that looks like real 된장찌개. I want to add some pepper to it if you guys don't mind.
Go for it.
It's very nice to add some chili powder in this. Sunjin knows. Holy. Now tell me that doesn't look legit, my friends. I think that's enough for me to be considered as the Korean Mom of the Year candidate. That's Korea, alright. Oh, 감사합니다. What do you think?
I like it.
맛있어요.
잘 만든 것 같아?
완전.
100% Korean. Sunjin approves it too. I like to scoop up a bunch of rice, put a bunch of white rice in there. Yeah.
Scorching.
I think it's safe to say that all of us Koreans grew up eating this. It's a super simple food that is really good for your body too. So I hope you guys can try making some soybean stew for your friends and family too.
한국적인 거.
한국적인 맛.
맛있었어요.
이거 보통 한국 엄마들한테 먹여도.
완전.
Since Ila's here today, I want to do some American BBQ. It's not my specialty, but I want to try. But I'm going to add a Korean touch to it. Here's a good barbecue sauce. You can use this tojang in all kinds of ways. And right now, I'm just adding it to my barbecue sauce. Oh wait, I can definitely taste it.
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah. These are just pork ribs that I've already cooked at home. Now I'm just gonna have to sauce it up. I'm gonna use my gloves to do it because I don't have a brush. And all I had to do at this point is just to heat it up. It's gotten dark pretty fast. Let's find out how the food turned out.
Ooh, it's so tender. That's got lots of flavors in it. Oh, it's so soft.
Yeah. Meat's better when it's soft.
부드러워.
부드러워.
진짜 너무 부드러워. 어때요?
맛있어요.
맛있어요?
The flavor all comes from this tojang.
Yo.
진짜 부드럽다. 먹는데요?
Thanks, Tojang. Oof. I like how it rips right off.
Yeah.
Thank God the barbecue ribs turned out really well, although it didn't taste very American. What a great day, we made a cool memory together. But it was getting dark, so I think the video will have to end here. Alright, that was a pretty great time glamping out here in Gapyeong. The food was good, right?
너무 맛있었어요.
나중에 더 맛있는 거 해줄게요.
Really? 진짜요?
Of course. I think that's it for the day, guys. Please go ahead and get Tojang. Try cooking something for your good friends too. I'm sure they're gonna love it. Alright then. Go watch my other videos. Goodbye. Oh, by the way guys, it was Sunjin's birthday just a few days ago, so I sent her a little gift on you guys' behalf. Hope you guys don't mind that. But Jimmy, we didn't pay you shit. Well, the money really came from you guys watching my videos and listening to my songs. So if you wanna help me, watch my other videos and listen to my songs. And definitely get yourself some Tojang, okay? Goodbye guys.